In this segment here, we're going to be looking at line spectra of various, or emission spectrum of various cations in solution, or some of the metals, but in the form of a cation. We're going to use these handheld spectroscopes. I know it's a little dark in here, but we're going to hold these handheld spectroscope. The one side here that's circled, you see that circle over here? That is the eyepiece, so you're going to look through the eye there. The other side that you're going to point to the light is actually a nice slit. Remember, we always use slits in our instruments to get a nice focus beam. So I'm going to point my camera to the light. So that's our light source up there. And you're going to take the eyepiece, and now the eyepiece also has a part here that you can turn to get the spectrum in the correct format here. And again, it's going to take me a little bit because I'm free-forming this here. All right. So I'm going to turn the eyepiece till I see the line spectra. Do you see that? So the slit, you're not looking down at the slit, you're looking using your peripheral vision on the right and left hand side to see the line spectra. In class you will learn this, what the metal is in fluorescent bulbs. You're also going to use this handheld spectroscope to look at the emission spectrum of the metal cations, or the metals that you put into the flame. So you're going to look at the gross color flame when you do the flame test. You're also going to use the emission spectrum.